To trust in God is not weakness. It is not blind submission. It is the highest form of strength a man can possess. Trusting God is not for the coward. It is for the one who stands in the storm with his chest forward, eyes sharp, knowing that there is a greater order beyond what he can see. The ancient Stoics, though not always speaking of God the way modern faith does, submitted to logos, the divine reason, the natural order of the cosmos. To trust God is to live in alignment with that order. It means to stop fighting the wind and instead set your sails to catch it. Here are 4 reasons why you should trust God. 1. The world is not random. To the man who opens his eyes and looks deeply into the structure of the universe, it becomes clear. This world is not chaos. Look at the sun. It rises and sets with discipline. The seasons change like clockwork. The tide knows its timing. This precision is not by accident. Imagine a building, a towering structure of marble, perfectly aligned. Would you ever believe it came into being by accident? Then why would you believe the cosmos did? Trusting God is trusting that this order isn't just around you, it's for you. Even when life seems scattered, you must understand, it only appears chaotic because you're too close to the puzzle. Take a step back. The pieces are falling into place. Your pain has meaning. Your suffering has purpose. 2. Your vision is limited. You only see the moment. God sees eternity. You look at the page. He reads the whole book. When your plans fall apart, it's easy to panic, to rage, to doubt. But a wise man understands. His own view is short. Like standing in a valley surrounded by fog, you cannot see the mountaintop. But that does not mean the peak does not exist. Think of a child crying because his toy was taken away, not knowing it was to prevent harm. You are that child in the eyes of God. What you think is a loss may be a divine redirection. Trust in that. Discipline yourself to hold your frame in uncertainty. That is masculinity. That is stoicism. 3. God makes you strong through trials. You are not supposed to have it easy. That's not how warriors are made. A blade is only sharpened by friction. So are you. Every trial you face is not a punishment. It is a preparation. The mountain you climb is making your legs strong. The fire you walk through is forging your soul. If you beg for comfort, you beg to remain weak. Trusting God means you embrace the trials. You don't cry for them to end. You ask for the strength to endure. Remember, lions are not raised in cages. They are born in the wild. So are great men. Let your pain sculpt you. Let your hardship serve you. Like this message? Subscribe to my channel Wired Stoic on YouTube and follow me on TikTok to be reminded daily to be more masculine, more stoic, and more successful. 4. You were not made to carry everything alone. A man is not God. He is a servant of God. Your shoulders were made broad, not to carry everything, but to carry what is yours, and then surrender the rest. When you try to control everything, you will burn out. Your anxiety will devour you. But the moment you surrender what is outside your control to God, you become free. You don't need to know every answer. You just need to act with virtue and let the results fall where they may. Like a soldier in battle, his duty is to fight, not to win the war single-handedly. Trusting God is knowing your role. Execute it with honor, and let the higher power handle what's beyond your reach. Trusting God is not about weakness. It is the deepest form of strength, the kind that doesn't bend in the wind, the kind that doesn't panic in the unknown. Trust in the order of the universe. Trust in the author of your story. Walk the path with calmness in your soul and fire in your heart. A man who trusts God is unshakable. He is not fragile. He is not lost. He walks forward, even through fire, because he knows there is purpose in every step. Stand firm, breathe, trust.